Welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a common problem when it comes to implementing authentication with Firebase in a Next.js app. The problem arises when we need to initialize our Firebase configuration, including the API key on the client side. This raises concerns about exposing sensitive information to the client, which is not ideal for security reasons. Now, let's delve into the solution provided. The first step is to set up the Firebase configuration in a separate file using the provided template. This includes the API key, auth domain, project ID, and other necessary parameters. By structuring the configuration in this way, we can ensure that the sensitive information is not directly exposed to the client side. Moving on to the next part of the solution, we have the implementation of the Sign In with Google function. This function utilizes Firebase's authentication capabilities by creating a Google authentication provider and signing in the user with a pop-up. By following this approach, we can securely handle user authentication without compromising sensitive data. Continuing with our solution, we come to the useUserSession function, which plays a crucial role in managing the user's authentication status. This function utilizes useState and useEffect hooks to subscribe to authentication changes and update the user state accordingly. Additionally, it leverages useRouter to refresh the page when the user's email changes, ensuring a seamless user experience. In summary, we have addressed the problem of securely implementing authentication with Firebase in a Next.js app by structuring the configuration, utilizing Firebase's authentication functions, and managing the user session effectively. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into handling authentication in your projects. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.